Hello everybody, happy 4th of July and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will be making myself a set of 4th of July acrylic press-ons. I've already prepped my press-ons and I'm just applying my colored acrylic to the nails. All the acrylic powder and monomer I use in this video is by Me a Secret. I'll be doing ombre on all my nails except my pointer fingernail using Me a Secret's Cover Pink. I love this color. It has like a little sparkles in it as well. I love sparkles. Who doesn't? I painted this nail gray for the base color first, and then I added the glitter using some clear acrylic mixed with the glitter. Finishing up my ombre. And I just covered that one in like Me a Secret's pink, the cover pink. And now I'm just gonna encapsulate all the nails using Me a Secret's clear. Oh, and hey you guys, if you all don't mind sharing in the comments below, let me know how y'all's 4th of July went. I'd really love to know. Okay, so now I'm just putting a thin layer of clear acrylic to the nail because I'm going to be adding some stars. And I'm going to ombre this nail as well, and then encapsulate with clear. So here I'm just finishing encapsulating. I'm going to file and shape off camera. Everything is filed and shaped, and I've just sprayed the nails with some alcohol to get any excess oils or dust off. On this middle nail, I'm just adding a thin layer of Beetle's No Wipe Clear top gel to make the stars I'll be adding stick to the nail. Now I'm just adding my stars, and then I'll cure for about 15 seconds. For this nail, I will be painting on red and white stripes and curing for 15 to 30 seconds in between colors. So now I'm just going to top coat all of my nails. I love the way this came out. And this is the finished look, or should I say half finished. I'm going to do the same to the other 5 nails, and I'll be showing you all how I put these on in my next video. So please give this video a like if you enjoyed watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you'll know when my next video has been uploaded. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye bye.